Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to stop your games updating on your PlayStation 5, and this is really easy to do. What we want to do is go up to top and then select Settings, and then scroll on down to where it says Save Data in Game App Settings. Then we can go to Automatic Updates and go to the right, and this says you can let your PS5 automatically download and install the latest versions of your games and apps. So you have two settings at the bottom. It says Automatically Download. Your PS5 will check for the latest updates and download the update files when they're available. So I have this check mark, and then we can turn it off. Then we have auto install in rest mode. If you're using a game or app that's being updated, it will close the app to allow the update file to be installed. Turn off this setting if you don't want your games and apps to close for updates. So you have these two options you can turn off. Now to enable this feature, you do have to go to System, Power Saving Settings, Features Available in Rest Mode, and stay connected to the internet. So let's go back and then go to where it says System, then go to Power Saving, then go to Set Features Available in Rest Mode, and make sure Stay Connected to the Internet is checkmarked right here for you to update your games and apps. Otherwise, you can completely uncheckmark this. Now, if you want to go ahead and turn off the system software updates, we can go to where it says System Software right here, and then go to System Software Updates and Settings, and we can uncheckmark these options right here. Download update files automatically and install update files automatically right here for your system software. There's one more thing that you can do to stop the updates. If you do have something downloading, press the PlayStation button, go to the Control Center, and then go to Downloads and Updates. Then you can see your downloads and uploads under this section, and then you can select it, and then you can select it again, and you should have an option to pause the download or update for that specific game. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.